And there it is. This is Coby with Solo Sail Away. So you're embarking on your first Virgin Voyage adventure. How exciting is that? Let's get into some tips and some tricks to make sure that your sailing is nice. First thing first, packing. That's right, packing. You don't have to bring the entire wardrobe, but sometimes I do bring the entire wardrobe. I admit, a lot of times I do overpack, but keep it nice, comfortable, and a little chic. And don't forget to bring something red for Scarlet Night. Don't forget those essentials like sunscreen, sunglasses, and of course, a camera to capture all of those memories. Now, embrace the cruise ship you'll be sailing on and explore all the nooks and crannies. There's so much to do on Virgin Voyager. There's so many different activities, and you can find those activities on the Virgin Voyagers app. Don't forget the deck. The deck be having so many views. You can be looking at the ocean, different activities be going on at that near the pool area. And don't forget to check out some of the restaurants. There's so many eateries on there. There's over 20 eateries on Virgin Voyager. Now, I don't want you to be feeling a little seasick, so don't forget to pack some motion sickness remedies. It's better safe than sorry. And don't forget to socialize. You're going to have plenty of time to laugh, trip out, make new friends, dance at a lot of the clubs and different parties they be having. And there's plenty of different opportunities where you can meet and greet other solo travelers and make new friends and new associates. Now, excursion, plan ahead and be adventurous, but also be safe. Now, when exploring new cities or relaxing at the beach, choose experiences that your soul speaks to you and enjoy your time. Don't stress the small stuff, but enjoy yourself and be safe. Once again, this is Colby with Solo Sail Away. And there it is. Click that like button if you like what you heard.